With lots of handy features and a smart design, this Beko fridge freezer is a stylish way to safely store your fresh and frozen food. Frost-free technology circulates cold air throughout the freezer to prevent ice from forming. Maintenance is easy as the chore of manually defrosting the freezer is a thing of the past. Beko's Freezer Guard technology ensures that this freezer can withstand temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius, so you can keep it in a garage or outbuilding, knowing that your food will stay safely frozen no matter how cold it gets. The antibacterial door sill has a special coating which prevents bacteria and germs from entering your appliance. Your fridge will stay cleaner and more hygienic, which keeps your food fresher and tastier for longer. If you're looking for a smart and modern fridge freezer to upgrade your existing one, then look no further than this Beko.